Okay, this is my SX3 Grizzly 0619 mill that I just converted with a CNC Fusion kit. I'm cutting a circular pocket at 3.65 diameter, and I'm only taking 10,000 cuts because this is the first time I've had it set up and we're going with it. We're going to run at 1800 RPMs at 20 inches a minute, and we'll see how it goes. I'm just cutting this out, and then I'm going to put it on a lathe and do the finish work on it. The guy asked me to make him this part that he broke. As you can see, it's in 4 pieces. But it all fits together in a circle, and what it does is holds a gasoline filter on one of his motors. So we're going to see what we can do for him and help him out. Now, I'm dry cutting this, but you know, normally I'd use some coolant on it, but it's such a light cut that I really don't need it. The bit is a 6 flute 3/8 bit end mill. It does a great job. I'm new at writing this G code, so I've only got about 6 steps on here written, so we'll see how it goes. I think this is the last part of this cycle, and then I'll just change the depth and run it again. Now I know I could take a lot deeper cuts, but like I said, we're just trying this out. Just got it converted, and so there you have it. We'll make another video here when we get going a little bit better. Thanks for watching.